So hello everyone, welcome to this webinar. This is all about Masters in Business Analytics at Central European University, how to become a tech-savvy professional in just 1 year. My name is Kristina Szarvas, and I'm the program manager for Masters in Finance and Masters in Business Analytics, and I will be your host today. So let's start. At the Department of Economics and Business at CEU, we offer you 2 different business programs, Masters in Business Analytics and Masters in Finance. And today our topic is Masters in Business Analytics. Both of the programs are 10 months long if you take the full-time version, or 22 months long if you take the part-time version. You will get the same content, the same classes, the same courses. The difference is that a full-time student usually takes 6 or 7 courses in 1 semester, and the part-time students take only 2 or 3 courses or subjects. So therefore, they take for them it takes longer to finish all the courses and collect the critical number of credits. How does your study schedule look like? Well, in case of business analytics, you will learn unparalleled interdisciplinary curriculum offering complete spectrum of analytic skills. We will start with the foundation, so you will learn mathematics and informatics. You will learn also data engineering, SQL, big data, and cloud computing, and then data analysis, especially explorative data analysis, regression, and prediction. You will learn or taste a little bit the data science world, machine learning, text analysis, R and Python. Both programming languages are very popular nowadays in the business world. And you will also learn data visualization, Tableau, Shiny, and Python again. And of course, managing analytics. So you will learn agile methods and Scrum and generally designing projects and lead them to success. You will have as a final cornerstone capstone project. It means that when you finish your studies, you will not write a theoretical thesis at the end, but you will be allocated to a company for 2 or 3 months, a few weeks, and then you will work on a real problem to find a solution for a company, just like a consultant. And before joining a company, there will be a matchmaking process. So don't be afraid that we have a lot of projects offered from the companies, and you can pick the one the most attractive for you, and then you will work at that specific company on that project you have chosen. It's very important for us to integrate you into the business world. Not only offer we capstone projects to get your foot in the business world, but also we organize seminars for you. In case of finance, we call it Finance at CU, and in case of business analytics, we call it use case seminars. And that means we invite experts from companies, so business professionals, head of departments, directors, CEOs, or technical leaders, and they keep you lectures about specific problems or solutions or habits at the company. And also they not only give you a professional lecture, but also give you a little bit insight into the company, into the job. What does that specific people do at the company? How can you go on with that specific company so that you can start building your network and building your integration into the business world? Here are the courses you will learn in the program. There are core courses, mandatory courses, which are musts to take. And there are electives, which are for you to deepen your knowledge in specific fields or to get familiar in different other fields. We have cross-listed courses with different departments. For example, we offer you ethics of big data, joined with the legal department together, or we offer you banking, IT, and fintech with the finance program together. So those courses are to get to offer you insight into different other professional areas, but you have also the chance to deepen your knowledge if you take, for example, then data engineering 3 and 4, if you like data engineering. But that's something you can decide. You have a certain number of credits which you need to collect, but within that you are free to choose. At CEU, we don't have 2 semesters, we have 3 trimesters within a year. The first one is from September until December, fully packed with compulsory courses. It's very intensive, the beginning. Then after the Christmas period, you have the next semester or trimester from January to March. It's still very intense, but you have a lot of electives. So it's usually easier for students because they can learn what they are passionate anyways about. So it's a little bit, seems to be easier. And we start at this period of the year, we already start working on your CVs and start organizing interviews so that you will find internship and capstone project towards the end of the year. And the last trimester is from April to June. You have some electives, especially if you haven't managed to collect enough credits so far, but mainly the focus is on the capstone work. And then by the end of June, you finish your studies, and in July and August, we help you find your job, your first junior job. Most of the students find a job already during their studies via the capstone or internships, but if not, then we will help you in the summer months to find your junior job. As I said, we very much focus on helping you find your first job, so not just providing you with theories and useful skills from the university side, but also integrate you into the business world. And that we do via internship programs, via the capstone project, and via the CV book, which means we will write together with you a certain type of CV. Your resumes will be collected, put together in a book, and it's electronically, so it's virtually book. And then we send out to our company partners, and they will pick you for certain jobs and contact you directly to offer you jobs. And also the use case seminars are for you to broaden your network with business people. Here are some examples, what companies we are working with. It's just a small selection with the best well-known, with the most well-known international companies. And a few words about CEU. We were founded 30 years ago by George Soros, but since that, a lot of philanthropists and founders joined him, and so we get funded by them. We are accredited in the United States and in Austria, and we offer English language programs only. We have students from around the globe, really international student body from more than 100 countries, and also faculty is from over 40 countries, and all programs are taught in Vienna in Austria. Each year we make a survey. We ask our students who joined us what was the #1 reason they have chosen CEU, and the answer was 40% of them joined us because of academic excellence, and 11% joined us because of the curriculum, because of the content. So more than 50% is joining us because of excellence and because of the content. And there is a good reason why, because we collect professors from around the globe, from the best universities. And just a few examples for you, in case of business analytics, the head of the Department of Economics and Business is Professor Adam Zawodowski, who joined us from Princeton University. And the head of the business analytics program is Professor Miklos Korant, who joined us from Harvard University. The other 2 persons are allocated to finance, so I would skip that now. But you will see that we collect or we hire or invite professors from the best universities to bring you the highest standard of knowledge and education. So if you are interested in the program, I strongly recommend you to click the link in the chat, which I provided previously. But also you can simply Google CEU plus business analytics and you will land at our program page anyways. And here I suggest you to register your interest here, because then I will be allowed to send you information and a lot of micro content about scholarships, about early bird offer, about professors, about the content of the program, and it will be easier for you to digest. I also offer you weekly office hours where you can raise your questions. So coming back to the presentation, I think that was from my side. Now you will not raise any questions, but if so, then you can contact us via the website and I'm happy to answer all your questions afterwards. And thank you for your attention.